This is ridiculous. It's like the the thickness is ridiculous. It is. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Creme of Nature clay and charcoal line. And it comes with 3 parts, which include the clay mask, the shampoo, okay, and the soft and moisture replenish conditioner. So I'm going to be doing all 3 of them today in order and see what happens. I have I've done, what did I do? The spiral rod set on it, and then I went from the rod set to wearing an updo, a bun, and then I went from my bun, got one clip here, I went from my bun to doing my quick dry 10-minute wash and go, which lasts me a couple of days as well. And I might want to read the instructions. That might help us along our way. So it says, on dry hair, before shampooing, apply the mask to the hair, section by section, making sure to cover the full head. Leave on for 10 minutes to absorb the excess oils and impurities. Rinse thoroughly and follow with clay and charcoal shampoo and conditioner. Easy enough. Let's get it. Oh, that is a good look at what it really looks like. Because my hair had so much product on it is why I waited to use this product line, because I wanted to see what it did. And hopefully I don't rip all my hair out. Okay. I'm trying to do this. Oh wow. There's the consistency of it. It does feel like mud. And because I have I'm gonna put it on my roots too, because I'm thinking that it should be good for my roots. Ooh, got some on my arm. With this, I would suggest to wear something that you don't mind getting dirty, because I can tell this is going to be one for the books. Okay. So I got it all on, and it worked really well, actually. I'm surprised. It elongated my hair. It is very heavy. It is very sticky. I have a pretty good amount of hair, but if you stretch it, maybe 2 applications. And let me know, comment below if you think I was heavy-handed with it. I don't think I was very heavy-handed with it. I did not use a lot. Like my ends, and I'm touching my ends. I feel like I could actually put more on my ends, to be honest with you. I don't feel like I used a lot, but I mean, the jar is almost gone. So let's see. It does say no mineral oils or petroleum. It's water, glycerin, sunflower seed oil, and then it goes into the host of other things. So it does say Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Collection is infused with a blend of Moroccan Razul clay, which I've used and it is great. Bentonite clay, that is my clay of choice. And active charcoal. And everybody's putting charcoal in everything, including your toothpaste. So yeah. This collection detoxifies by removing buildup, softens, and vitalizes all hair types, instantly leaving hair soft to touch and easy to style. That in itself, I believe, is real, because like the tangles that I've had, as you can see, they have kind of melted out. I don't want to say much about curl definition. I know a lot of other people said things about curl definition. I don't, because typically when your hair is way down and heavy, you can see the definition of the curl more. If I put deep condition on my hair, I'm going to see the definition more. So I don't really want to speak on that too much. However, it's been about 10 minutes and I'm going to wash this out and see how it's going to do after this. Okay. So the washout, oh my God, clearly it was not easy. I rinsed my hair out for forever. I didn't get anything out my hair. This is stupid. Okay. I finally got it all out. It is a bit hard to rinse out, so that's for sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo it. Oh, wow. I need a lot of shampoo. This is a bit drying, and look at that. Stripping. Well, I won't say stripping, but it is drying. Oh, it lathered up. As soon as I got it on, it lathered. This is ridiculous. It's like the thickness is ridiculous. It is. It foams up very well. It's very thick. It goes on very well. It lathered very well. I don't know if it's cleaning very well until I rinse it out. And I'm about to rinse it out right now. Okay, so yeah, my hair is pretty. I can feel the. Okay, so I'm gonna do this giant section. Oh wow, that comes out like toothpaste. Okay, I am completely done with the whole hairline. I wish there was like a leave-in conditioner, but there isn't one, not at least not right now. So this is my hair. Kind of, I blotted dry. It's not completely dry. It is really, 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 I was able to detangle it a little bit with the conditioner. What I can say about the conditioner is I don't think the conditioner is good for detangling. It actually says to leave in for 5 minutes, but it did take me longer than that to detangle my hair. Like, I had mats. Like, I mean, not mats, but like, let me give an overview of the products. Starting with the clay. This is an 11.5 ounce container for the clay. I can tell you that I think the clay did what it was supposed to do. It did clump my curls kind of at the time, is what everybody is saying. However, I don't think clumping during this stage really matters, because if you put anything thick and smooth onto a natural curly hair, it's going to clump and curl. At least that's my experience over the years. So that really doesn't give any idea of what kind of definition you'll have in the end. As you can see, my hair is a big Q-tip. So I don't have any real curls. However, let me say this. In the back of my hair where it's a little thicker, I can tell you that there are a few ringlets, if you can see that one. But nothing significant to say, ooh, well, you know, it gave me curl definition, because it really didn't. I think I like it because it's not that messy. As far as finding a bowl, mixing it in it, not using any metal utensils as if you were doing the clay, Aztec clay. So I think that's a good, you know, talking point. However, my hair literally ate almost the entire bottle. I think it cleaned it. It did not really strip it, even though it feels, and it still feels a little weird right here, but that's about it. And this is where the roughest of my hair is right here. But I still think it did pretty good. I love the consistency of it. For the shampoo, it did lather extremely well. It is smooth. It is thick. I have no complaints about the shampoo. I think it's a pretty good shampoo, but shampoos are shampoos to me. And this does not strip. This did not leave like a squeaky feeling at the end, but it did get out the rest of the product. And I think it aided in my detangling. And I love the consistency of this shampoo. So the shampoo for me was a plus. I hate the conditioner. I ended up using quite a bit of the conditioner. And when I added more, it seems like I had to add more. I felt like my hair is soft and manageable, but I noticed after I washed out the shampoo, it was rather soft and manageable. So I don't think the conditioner was here nor there. I can live without the conditioner. My hair, it really does not feel conditioned. I feel like I really need to go over it with maybe a deep conditioner and kind of bring something back, because like I feel a little almost brittle at the ends, but not really. Yeah, I can live without the conditioner. I am not happy about the conditioner. It didn't soften. I don't feel like it softened, and I don't feel like it gave my hair much moisture. But like I said, I do like the shampoo and the clay. Overall, these cost, I think, $5.96 at Walmart. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, I would buy these two and maybe follow up with a different brand of Creme for the conditioner, because Creme is a great product. I just think the conditioner kind of missed it this time. And the smell. Let's talk about the smell real quick. I hated the smell. It smelled a very strong scent of men's cheap cologne or deodorant, like I said, this, especially to someone who has not experienced Aztec clay or the Razul clay, someone who's just starting out and want to see what a clay is about, maybe with a shorter length of hair so you can get more use out of the bottle. But I think they were $5.96 at Walmart for each brand, for each product. So you're probably going to pay right at $20 for all three products, which is not a bad deal. Again, I would not get the conditioner because my hair is not conditioned. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 4 or 5 only because I believe that the shampoo and the clay mask I think it could have been better on the conditioner side. So with that said, those are my thoughts. Hopefully I'll see you on the flip side. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you soon. There's a halo on my ponytail. Or my bun. My fun bun. Love it.